everybody, it's me Krista. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we are going to be unboxing the November 2020 Artsnacks box. I'm almost caught up. We will get to December soon. Inktober still has me thrown a little off, but we'll definitely get there. As always, we have our little menu that lets us know what's inside. The snack for this month is a watermelon Airheads, and it was super yummy. And we have another Artsnacks logo sticker to add to the collection. This one reminds me almost of an ugly Christmas sweater. The very first item we have that's art supplies is a Marabou graphic sketch marker. This is normally $2.99 retail. It is a staff favorite. Make a bold statement with the Marabou graphic sketch marker. It's filled with low odor, alcohol-based ink that dries quickly and waterproof. Draw crisp, fine lines with the 1mm contour tip or fill in solid areas with the 7mm chisel chip. This marker works best on marker paper, but you can use it on a variety of non-porous surfaces too. I've used these before. I actually do like them, but the color I got is a purple. I think it's a number 950. Let me know in that comment section down below what colors you guys got. Next we have a mechanical pencil. It's a Tombow Pastel Monograph mechanical pencil. The retail price for this is normally $6.99. This is a new product. Shake up your sketches with the Tombow Monograph mechanical pencil, now available in new pastel colors. To extend the lead of this unique pencil, just jiggle it. Once you're done drawing, click the lock on the side to prevent accidental lead extension. This pencil also features one of the most popular erasers in Japan, the Mono Eraser. Twistable, refillable, and high performance, this eraser is the total package. The one I received just looks like a normal lead pencil. I did not get any fun pastel colors. Next we have a Tombow Fudanesque Neon Brush Pen. This is normally $3.48 retail. The much-loved Tombow Fudanesque Hard Tip Brush Pen got a new glow-up. You'll find an exciting neon color in your box this month. A wonderful tool for both calligraphers and illustrators, this water-based pen features a firm brush nib that can easily transition between thick and thin lines. I've used one of these before, just not the neon. This pink's interesting, I'm just not sure how I'm going to use it. The final items we got are some wonderful colored pencils. Specifically, they are some Caran d'Ache Luminance 6901 colored pencils. These are normally $5.40 retail price each. Introducing the most light-fast permanent colored pencil ever made, the Caran d'Ache Luminance 6901. Its subtle, velvety effect stems from 2 years of technical research. The high pigment concentration results in intense, bright color with strong coverage and mixing capacity. With your 2 new shades, try out gradation and overlaying techniques. I do have a couple of luminance colored pencils. My favorite one is the white because it's more pigmented than a lot of colored pencil whites are, and it's a little bit more opaque. So instead of it just lightening up a color you have, it can sometimes work pretty well to just bring it back to white. For this next little bit, I'm just playing around with the different items, layering the colored pencils over the purple marker, all that fun stuff. But with that, this unboxing and therefore this video is pretty much done. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, concerns, or you want to let me know how you felt about this stuff in this month's box, let me know all about that in that comment section down below. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. I do Artsnacks unboxings and projects once a month. As always, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video and listen to me ramble. I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you will definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!